Alright, sorry about that. My camera turned off. So yeah, you pour up the resin, and then on the back of the resin bottle, it actually tells you right here on this little chart, drops the catalyst ratios. Catalyst to resin ratios. But like Kool-Aid, you know what I'm saying, once you get a feel for it, you can just pull up and you can just judge it by the bubbles. You'll see the bubbles coming up and you'll be able to tell when it's enough. Another thing that when you start making it that you'll notice is the weather really affects it. So on hot days, you don't need to use as much much catalyst. But on cold days, like in the winter time, I gotta use damn near twice as much resin. Much catalyst before it starts to heat up. So on this last layer, I'm about to add this resin and some copper BBs and the rest of this amethyst and quartz rock. Now keep in mind when y'all are watching me, I always add too much, so that should be good. I just don't like waiting long for my resin to cure, because when I first started off I didn't put enough and it took days for it to finally dry up. Alright, see, I add too much. Now that should be definitely good. So, and you can do it different ways. You can put crushed up sand and the black iron oxide in there and mix it together, or you can just pour it up and put it in the mold and then pour it on there. It really doesn't matter. So now I'm about to add the quartz rock. The reason we use quartz rock, like I said again, quartz, anything in the quartz family is piezoelectric. So that means this amethyst is piezoelectric too, because it's in the quartz family. Amethyst, citrine, aventurine, yeah, all of those are quartz. And if I sat here and crushed them up and banged them, you'll see sparks flying as well. So, that good amethyst in there. some out. I don't know, it should be good. I just don't know if the legs will fit in there. Actually, yeah, I'll just take them out. Yeah, so everything's good to go now, and all we gotta do is wait for it to cure. Now the best way to have it cure is to put it out in the sun, which I'm about to do in a little bit, and I will show y'all in a second after I finish. So peace for now.